Cut there. Sophia.
There's candy.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You better see.
Let's see. What's this? It's chocolate. It's chocolate.
Very good. Put it in your basket. Let's keep going. There's lots of eggs.
Can you open them?
Let's go find the rest of the eggs first.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
I don't think there's any more on the steps.
Put those in your basket, honey. Now grab your basket and let's go look.
Oh, I see a lot in this room too.
Sophia, do you see any?
Yeah.
Where? Go.
Notebook. It's a notebook.
It's a notebook.
What else is it?
Very close.
And
Did the Easter Bunny leave you something in there? Yeah? Well, go ahead. See what it is.
Okay. It's handy dandy notebook.
It's a handy dandy notebook.
what else is in it, Sophia?
A crayon.
No, but look in the basket.
Sophie, look in your basket. What's in your big basket over here? What's in this basket?
Chocolate.
Yeah. What else?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. And what else?
Another chocolate.
Sophia, who's this?
Magenta.
And who's this?
Blue. Puppy. He's a puppy. He's a burger.
Do you like them?
Yeah.
So you want to keep looking for your eggs?
Nope. I have to throw it in my nope.
We got the smartest child in the world. She finds it.